What up, YouTube? It's your boy Swole Chevy G80 back with another video. Did a little couple things to the car again. Added some colors. Did the hood and the inserts. Where the fog light was, those were black, so I had my guy painted those too, silver also. Match up the front, make everything all silver. Did the roof. It's a nice color, not a bad color. I like it. The trunk. I don't know what all these little things here, all these little hairs, these little things right there. They're all over the car. They just keep blowing all around. She did the spoiler also. I also did a muffler delete, muffler resonator, but I didn't want to just go all full straight pipe. I heard how all these Impalas, they song straight pipe, and I really didn't like that song too much. So I went and just put some Super 40s in the back. If you can see that right there. Instead of just straight pipe, I went straight in the middle. Then the suitcase resonators, deleted and put those two Super 40s, and just added a tip. I'm not getting adjusted to it yet. I think it's too low, but we'll see. But yeah, it looks good. Let me give you a song check. It has a little deeper tone. It's not too, I would say, whiny. Sounds good. Let's hear it. Yeah, sounds good. Let me give you a rev. Doesn't sound too bad. It has a deep tone to it, what I like. Sounds nice. I think it look good. I like it. Yeah. And so that's the two newest things to the Impala. On my last video on my Genesis, I got those that front carbon fiber front lip and rear diffuser coming, so look out for that video pretty soon. And see you in the next one. Peace.